Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2016, the Ford F-150. Stock number on this vehicle is 7482. Take notice in this video, the exterior condition. This does have the FX4 Off-Road Package Edition. Tow package, of course. Power rear slider. I'll show you the interior rear here real quick. Tons and tons of ample legroom for friends and family that might be accompanying you on a trip. Dual moonroof, as you can see. This does have leather seats, has had a 150-point vehicle inspection completed for peace of mind driving, ABS brakes, and fully loaded. Easy access to those controls up front. For more information on this truck or any others, it's a huge selection. Give us a call, email us, text us, better yet, come on out. We'd like to earn your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day. Take care.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.